Benefits of okra soaked in 7 things that happen to your body when you eat it. The benefits of okra soaked are very numerous, especially for diabetics, so it is recommended to eat okra soaked for all people because of its wonderful benefits for body and health. Okra is a popular vegetable that is grown and eaten almost in all parts of the world. Okra is considered one of the nutritious and useful foods with a wonderful taste that is preferred by many people around the world. Okra belongs to the marshmallow family of plants and is grown in places with warm and temperate climates. As one of the types of vegetables, okra contains many vitamins and minerals that are essential for the body. So even if you do not like okra, you can still eat it to reap its amazing benefits. And not only eating okra, but drinking okra infusion also provides the body with many wonderful health benefits. But how do we prepare the okra marinade? What are the benefits of okra and soaked okra? Preparing the okra soaked. You can get soaked okra in an easy way. All you need is the following. 4 to 5 pods of okra are medium size. 1 cup of water. Salt, optional. Pepper. How to prepare. Bring 4 to 5 medium-sized pods of okra and wash them well. Cut the ends of the pods, and cut them in half with a knife. Place the pods in a cup filled with water and immerse the pods in it. Leave the pods in the water for 8 hours, then filter the water from the pods 8 hours later. The next morning, you can drink the water soaked in okra after removing the pods from the okra. You can add some spices to the water and drink it like salt and pepper. You can also boil okra pods instead of keeping them soaked for a long time in water overnight. You can heat okra with water and wait for it to cool down. More benefits of okra. Benefits of okra soaked. 1. Soaked okra prevents cancer. Eating foods rich in folate such as okra is an important part of cancer prevention. Folic acid helps produce red blood cells, make DNA, and repair damage. Eating large amounts of folate may help protect against some types of cancer, which include breast, intestinal, lung, and pancreatic cancers. Some researchers believe that low levels of folate in the body may increase the risk of cancer cells growing in the body, and this is due to the role that folic acid plays in the production of blood cells and repairing cell damage. 2. Soaked okra prevents liver disease. The liver is the organ responsible for cleansing the body of waste products by removing them from the blood, and okra can help clean the liver of toxins. This is because okra contains a sticky substance that has the ability to bind to bile acids and cholesterol to help the liver remove toxins from the body. How to make pickled okra and its benefits. And one study indicates that okra soaked can help fight chronic liver diseases, as it reduces the effects of harmful free particles that can cause cell damage and cause many liver diseases. This is due to its ability to stabilize the liver cell membranes, making them resistant to free radicals. 3. Soaked okra prevents strokes. Okra is rich in vitamin C, which is one of the strongest antioxidants that the human body cannot produce. And vitamin C plays an important role in lowering high blood pressure and maintaining the health of blood vessels, and thus reducing the risk of strokes. And one study of okra soaked showed that it helped reduce the risk of strokes by 42% for people who consumed okra soaked compared to people who did not take okra soaked. 4. Soaked okra keeps the colon healthy. Okra contains a lot of soluble fiber, with 1 serving of okra providing about 3 to 4 grams of fiber. And unlike other nutrients such as carbohydrates and fats, dietary fiber cannot be absorbed or digested by the body. Instead, the fiber passes through the stomach, intestine, and colon, and exits the body. And fiber helps to increase the size of the stool, which makes it easier to leave the body, and it creates a protective barrier for the intestine, which reduces the risk of colon cancer. 5. Soaking okra reduces cholesterol levels in the blood. According to the American Heart Association, people with diabetes are most likely to have high cholesterol levels. And when high cholesterol levels are combined with diabetes, it causes great harm to health. Fortunately, okra infusion can help lower cholesterol levels. The soluble fiber in okra helps reduce body fat by reducing the absorption of cholesterol in the blood. 6. Eating soaked okra improves the health of the mind. Okra contains a large proportion of potassium, which plays an important role in maintaining brain function. High potassium levels allow more oxygen to reach the brain, stimulating neural activity and increasing cognitive function. Therefore, it is considered a good food for the brain. Potassium also helps prevent strokes, so people with high levels of cholesterol in the blood are advised to eat foods rich in potassium because they help relax blood vessels, and this means improving blood flow throughout the body. 7. Okra infusion provides calcium to the body. If you are a vegetarian and lactose intolerant, it may be difficult for you to meet your daily calcium needs. Okra is a good source of calcium, aside from dairy products. Each cup of okra provides about 82 milligrams of calcium, which is considered a good proportion. Calcium is necessary to maintain healthy muscles and nerves and maintain bone structure, which prevents osteoporosis. Eating okra marinade offers many health benefits for the body, because okra contains many vitamins and minerals that the body needs. Drinking okra infusion helps you to strengthen the body and maintain the health of the body's organs against diseases. For any inquiries or questions, add your comment. And don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification to receive all new